This is your boy Sidaku, and you are welcome to Sidaku's Bite. On this particular tutorial, I'm going to show University of Cape Coast students who want to apply for transcript. So without wasting much time, let's kickstart. So you log on to your website, or the website, which is portal.ucc.edu.gh, and then you enter your registration number, and then you enter your password. So mine is in auto mode format, so everything is complete. Then you log in. So after you log in, you have this particular dashboard here, very nice. And then you go to where we have transcript request. So when you enter transcript request, you come to this section. This section over here. Just come to this section and then type in what you want. So if you want official transcript, you go for official transcript. If you also want proficiency in English, you go for that. And then you select the quantity, the number that you need. So in this case, I'll go for 1. And then the delivery mode. Is it going to be in person, or you are going to use an electronic copy? So you pick 1. I'll go for e-person. You provide your personal email. So I'll provide my email here, and then you provide your personal contact, right? So when you are done with everything, you will see at this section, that they have official transcript here, the quantity is here, the unit price is here, the total. Then you make payment. So the moment you make payment, it will take you to another website where you'll be able to make such payment. They're very, very, very simple. So let's assume I enter my contact here. So you click on make payment. So it will take you to a different window, right? Yes. So this is Zenith Global Pay. So you have the first one to be card payment, second one mobile money, the third one is internet banking. For easy of access, and for this tutorial I'll go in for the mobile money. So you select and then you pick the network. If you're an MTN user, you pick MTN. If you are Vodafone or Airtel to go, you do that, and then you enter your mobile money number. They will send you an OTP, which is a one-time password. When they send it to you, you copy it and you paste it here, and then you make payment. Very simple as that. So when you are done, you come back to the portal, and then you have a section where they have typed or written what you call request status, right? So after you make payment, just come to this section, and then when you come there, just hit on request status, and then you will see on the portal, yes. So you could see that I've paid for proficiency, I've paid for official transcript and all that, and then the document status says payment received. So I'm waiting for the tracking number. So with this case, you'll be able to go in for your transcript as a UCC student. It's your boy Sidaku's Bite. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then click on the like if you like this video. Share for others to also know what is happening and how they can apply for their transcript on the UCC portal. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.